I still remember 15 years ago, when I first got into the design, it wasn't like today. There is no social media, no YouTube tutorials, no communities, no Instagram tips. It was really hard, and you have to figure the things in your own. That's why after all of these years, I decided to give back. I saw many designers right now struggling, lost in a sea of content, not knowing how to start. So I started this channel to share what I have learned. This is Osama Drini, a product design lead for more than 15 years. I have been working with more than 10 industries in the design field, plus working with companies and clients all over the world. In this channel, I will share with you a content related to the design. We will talk about UI, UX, design tools, tips and tricks, advanced tutorials, design system, design tokens, and more. Plus also, you will find a lot of live sessions from our community on Telegram. We have a weekly live sessions. We discuss a lot of things related to the design and we answer your questions. If you are interested to this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on the social media accounts. I will give you the links in the video description. I hope this content will help you to upgrade your skills. This is the video for today. See you again. Bye.